Well, I found a nice way to do a mortise today. Um, these all came out beautiful. Uh, everything on this top line came out beautiful. My first go at it came out like this. I mean, they'll all work. They'll be hidden. They'll glue up good, but they suck. And that was because I was using this. Uh, if I took more care while I was doing this, they would have probably come out great. But it was noisy as hell, and it was just a lot of work doing all the steps. So, to get this, which came out beautiful, I don't think I even need to chisel. I don't think I even need to clean up those sides. I think a mortise will fit right in there. And that was with this setup. And what I did to accomplish this, notice I screwed a board over here, so apparently I got to make a nice table for this when I get some time. But right now I just want to get stuff done, so the table's for later. But what I did, excuse the camera for a moment while I move around. So I had it set up in here, and what I did was after I finished drilling multiple holes, which didn't take long at all, then I just took it and I ran the blade down like this, and I just ran it back and forth. And it cleaned up all the in-between marks. And I'm like, well, this is the way I'm going to make fucking mortises from now on. Excuse my language. Yeah, I went and sharpened up this chisel this morning to clean it up with, and yeah, I don't think I need it. I had to clean up all these here with the chisel. These, you can see, they're all nice and clean. So that was all done with a brad point drill bit, and this will be my new way of mortising. Very quick and very easy. That's all.